Yes, good morning children. Now we will discuss the section formula. What is section formula? You know the by distance formula, you know the distance between 2 points. P and Q are 2 points in a Cartesian plane. So the point P is x1, y1, Q is x2, y2. You know the distance between the 2 points. Now there is a point R in between P and Q which divides this PQ in some ratio. We don't know the ratio. Let the ratios be M1, M2. This R divides this PQ in the ratio M1 is to M. We don't know the ratio. We will find what is the value of M1, M2, right? Here in this with the help of this section formula. So, and also we will find the coordinates of R. We will find coordinates of R which divides this line segment PQ in the ratio of this M1 is to M2. Or what we will find in this section formula, there is a point R which divides this PQ in some ratio. Let M1, M2. And what is the coordinates of R? Where is this point located which divides this PQ in the ratio of M1 is to M2? So what we will do, draw that PS is perpendicular. PS is perpendicular on this x-axis, that this is x-axis here, and here you draw perpendicular also, QT. We will draw perpendicular line here, PE. We will draw perpendicular to this OT. From this point, this is R, whose coordinates are x, y, and divides this in the ratio of M1 is to M2. Or this is also perpendicular. Let this point is M, right? So let this point is G, right? Here also you will draw a perpendicular from this point. You see. This is point N. This is also perpendicular here. We will find this, the distance PG. We will find GL, NL, right? So you know the distance formula. If you know this point is S1. What is OM? OM distance. OM is, you see, OM is Y. Because OM is X. This is X comma Y. This is not x1, this is x comma y. So this distance O to M is x. Then what is this SM? It is x minus x1. Because this is x here, this is x, this is x1. So it is x minus x1. X minus x1. So this PG is also x minus x1. Right? What is O to M? It is x. Then this is y1. Because you know point P is x1, y1. So this is x1. From this to this, it is y1. So this mg is also y1. Mg is also y1. What is then rg? Because this sm is x. So from this point to this point, this whole is y. So GM is y, so it is y minus y1, y minus y1. Now you find this. What is OT? OT distance is y2, sorry x2. It is x2. OT is x2. OT is from O to T. It is x2. Right? So this is y2, this is y2, this is y1, this is y1, and this is y. From this nt, because R to M is y, so this nt is y. So this is what this angle is y minus y1, it is already we have found. So we will find this empty distance, and OT is y2. It is y2. What is OM? It is y. This OT is x2. It is x2. Then what is OM? OM is x. x2 minus x. This is x2. x2 is the distance from O to T. It is x2. What is OM? OM distance is x because point x is here. So it is x2 minus x. So this distance is x2 minus x. This is x2 minus x. What is total? QT. QT is y2. From this to this point, it is y. It is this distance Rm is y. So this NT is also y. What is this QT? It is y2 minus y. y2 minus y. In this way, we have found here all the sides. So this is M1 here. This is M2 here. You know these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, they are similar. Why similar? Because this is 90 here. This is 90 and this angle is this angle, corresponding angle. These are corresponding. So these two triangles are similar. I will write here triangle RPG. Triangle RPG is similar to triangle this QRN. QRN. They are similar by, you can say AA or AAA similarity. They are similar, their both sides are proportional. You will write then hypotenuse. This is M1. Their both sides are proportional. When triangles are similar, sides are proportional. This is M1 here. What is this side? It is by M2. Equal to, what is this side? It is x minus x1 divided by, what is this side? Corresponding side, x2 minus x. x2 minus x equal to, then what is this side? Perpendicular, y minus y1 divided by, what is this side? It is y2 minus y. y2 minus y. So if you equate this with this, implies m1 by m2 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x. Do cross multiplication. It is m1 x2. m1 x2 minus m1x. m1x equal to m2 x minus m2 x1. m2 x1. Right? So transfer this to this side because x term, which is, you will take x common. Right? You transfer this to this side and this minus to this side. So it is m1 x2 plus, transfer this to this side. It is m2 x1 equal to, transfer this to this side. It is m2 x. If you transfer this to this side, it is m1 x. Here already it is plus m2 x. Take x common and you divide m1 x2. This implies m1 x2 plus m2 x1 equal to, take x common, it is m1 plus m2. So x equal to, you divide this, x coordinate equal to, you will divide this, it is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by this factor. So this is m1 plus m2. So this is x coordinate of this. We have found this x coordinate of this. So we will find y coordinate, equate this with this y factor. So it is also, what is m1 x2, m1 by m2 equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y. So by cross multiplication, it is m1 y2 minus m1y equal to m2y minus m2 into y1, m2 into y1. So what is m factor here? It is y. It is m1 y2, m1 y2 minus m1 y. This is y here. Then m2 y, m2 y. So this is y. So transfer this to this side. It is m1 y2. Then transfer this, shift this to this side. It is m2. This is minus here. It will become plus y1 equal to. You transfer this to this side. Take y common. It is m1 plus m2. So y equal to m1 y2 or m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this is y. So you have found here the coordinates of y which divides this in the ratio of m1 is to m2. So this is the section formula. You have found here coordinates of x and coordinates of y which divides this PQ in the ratio of m1 is to m2. Thank you.